Hey everybody, Nicole here with CellBotics, and with me,
I'm Michelle, this computer hardware repair specialist and trainer.
and you know me, I teach the cell phone and business course. So we want to talk about how to make money off of this work at home movement, okay? Because a lot of y'all are missing the buck, and you don't know how to take advantage of it. And so it's June 1st, 2021. This is after kind of COVID is kind of dying down a little bit because people getting vaccinated and all that good stuff. Whatever your view is on why it seems to be going down a little bit, but the whole perception that a company needs a building for their staff, I think, is forever changed.
Oh, absolutely. The thing about it is, they were already moving into teleworking as it was. Now we know for sure COVID pushed it into that place because you had kids at home and parents had to be at home with kids, and so they had to be able to work from home and work effectively. And employers found out that not only can they do it, they actually were more productive because they were spending less time in traffic.
Right, and less overhead. Think of the amount of money the companies saved.
But at the same time, the IT departments are stretched right now. Right. Why? Because they don't have enough technicians to go and fix things that everybody's breaking. Oh my God,
we're getting calls every day. We are bombarded with companies looking for technicians. So a lot of you watching this may be looking to open your own business, which is fine too, because we're going to talk about how you can make money off of that. But if you're looking for a job, there is no shortage. Every class, when I have people looking for a job, I have them a job before they leave class. Like, I have the past 3 classes, there's been one person in each class from Atlanta who wants a job, and they are all working right now, the day before they leave class.
Shout out to Adam over at Micro. He already asked me that I have some students that had their CompTia A+. He was ready to hire them. All I'm telling you is, with this work-at-home movement, more and more people are buying computers. Did you know there was a shortage on parts?
Yeah. We have commercial accounts. The parts right now are out till July.
Mid-July.
And
we've got some that's going to be waiting on parts. All I'm trying to tell you is, kids are at home, parents at home, grandma's at home, grandpa's at home, aunt, uncle, cousins at home. People want to stay connected, and the way to stay connected is making sure you have a computer.
That's right.
Phones,
that's right.
Tablets, all those things.
And I read a story that said that 65% of companies had lost, or 65% of women in the workforce had to leave their job because they could not do their work remotely. And so companies even have a bigger push to get where they can do work remotely because they had lost the female appearance in their company, which is really bad, you know? And so companies are going towards that, and I just don't see it dying down. I feel like this is a new normal, and it's amazing.
Well, think about this. I was traveling just down the road on my way home the other day, and there was a sign out there, work from home, $20 an hour. We teach you how to call center. You call us, don't have to have any experience, we train you. But what do they need? A computer with a microphone and a webcam to do their work. But in an instant, that means that's a source of revenue for somebody that has the experience.
In hardware, which is what we teach. If you are a hardware technician, someone doesn't, we're getting calls from people that just don't know how to set it up. They don't know how to use it. Or the computer's extremely slow, and they're like, I just bought this thing. Because they didn't understand about gigabytes and RAM, and which I barely do. I depend on her. I'm very lucky. I'm just like, is this fast, you know?
Well, the thing about it, and that's why you should be taking advantage, if you're not, of this telework movement of people working from home. Because the average household, literally, the average household has 4 to 7 devices, depending on how many folks in the house. They have at least one major computer, 2 or 3 laptops, a couple of tablets, and everybody's got a darn phone.
That's right. That's right.
So you within a household, and what's the main thing that you see when you walk around? You see people's phone. Crackety. Don't talk about me, Nicole. I know I broke that phone last week.
Yeah.
But it wasn't my fault. The packages were falling downstairs. I'm just trying to catch it. It went to the ground. But I'm just telling you, there are so many things to fix.
There
now,
is, guys.
We need the technicians to fix
and
it.
gals. Yeah, they're the hardware. People are so into software that I feel like software can be saturated at times. You know?
No, not even close.
No, really? Okay.
Well, here's the thing. You start here with the hardware. Now,
I feel like hardware is much more needed. I guess because I get so many people looking for technicians that can do hardware. And I talk to so many people that are in school for software. I guess for me, in my mind, it's like more people need to also do hardware because the software can't work if the hardware is not working.
That's correct. But the other part of it is the hardware is the backbone.
And you get a 60-hour software course when you take the device master.
Of course you have to.
Right. So we give you the 60-hour.
Well, you have to know about operating systems. And there's more than one. And we talk about not only what we call flavors of operating systems, but we talk about operating systems and how they relate to machine language. But all those things that you need, you can get right here at CellBotics.
Right.
And this will allow you to make money and be able to take advantage of all those folks that say, I would really need your services. I need a technician to come see about my computer,
to my house.
My cell phone.
My Wi-Fi's dropping. My camera's not working all the time. You would
it's
think.
It's slow.
Right.
It's
You would
laggy.
think people know that, but they don't. And if you don't know it, there's a prime example. And you learn it when you're here. Everything is hands-on. And you can take that back to your area and do your own business and start servicing people in your area and their homes and businesses. Or you can go work for a company and be their IT person. I mean, we just see so many different opportunities. I wish we could just run through every single graduate and all the unique things that they're doing. But I mean,
we can't.
We can't. It's just not enough time. And there's so many different things that they're doing out here with their skill set. It's just such a great opportunity for you guys.
Well, I teach you 8 ways to monetize. Nicole teaches you 10. That's 18 ways, different ways to make money.
With your new skill set.
With your new skill set. So come on down to CellBotics. I'm Michelle Cox, or better known as Michelle the Computer Lady. This is Nicole. And we want to make sure that you have a successful life on this journey and take advantage of this work-at-home movement right now.
Right.
We'll see you soon in class. Have a great week.
Bye, everybody.